Well, with 6 hacks that Navy Federal Credit Union won't tell you in 2022. And that's today's topic again, because today I'm giving you 6 more hacks on top of the 6 hacks I gave you 2 days ago when I made that other video. You can look it up on this channel. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell notification so we can share this video with as many people as possible so they can benefit also as well. Now, there's so many hacks that you should know about, and I will give you a few so you can use them. Now, today I will go over things like credit limit increase on your Navy Federal Credit Union credit card, which is an approval hack. And if you watch this video all the way through to the end, I promise you, I will give you 6 bonus hacks. That's right. 7. Actually, I'll give you 7 bonus hacks. That's extra value for you. Plus, a way for you to get $180,000 from Navy Federal Credit Union, even if you have bad credit. So please stay tuned so that way you don't miss out. All right. So let's get straight into the meat and potatoes now. First hack, make sure you're a member of Navy Federal Credit Union. Okay. Uh, Secondly, make sure that your credit score is above 700. Now, for people with bad credit or low credit scores, I will give you those hacks at the end. So stay tuned so you don't miss out on those secrets. Also, next hack, deposit $100 into a checking account with Navy Federal Credit Union so that way they can have a little transparency into your financial situation. All right. And then you be further building a rapport and a relationship with them and making that stronger as well. And gaining more base points with them that will give you credit towards your Navy Federal internal score as well. Because you want to expand that out to a higher score possible. The highest is 450. But you want to get as close to that as possible. Now, but you can get approved with a 260 or 270 with for a Navy Federal credit card as well. But now again, the bad credit, the strategy for people with bad credit, those secrets I'm going to give out at the end of this video. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end as well. Okay. Unfreeze your TransUnion is the next hack. Now you don't want to have a TransUnion frozen because that can be a block, or a barricade obstacle for Navy Federal to get around in order to make this approval happen for you. Okay. Next hack, do the pre-qualify method. And when you do the pre-qualify method, Navy Federal has a high success rate with people getting approved doing the pre-qualified method also as well. Next hack, apply for flagship card after 91.3. What that means is after 91 days of having the card, after 91 days, actually, okay, of your relationship with Navy Federal. Um, if you already started with a card with them, make sure you had that card for at least 3 billing cycles, also as well, credit card statements. Okay, next hack, get other products with Navy Federal so that way you can further develop your internal credit score. Okay. Set up direct deposit with Navy Federal Credit Union. Okay, so that way they can get a clearer idea of what your finances look like, which means basically set that up, have your work or employment payroll checks deposited. If you get benefits, make sure you get your benefits deposited into your Navy Federal checking account also as well. And make sure you open a savings with at least a minimum of $50. Okay, in the savings account with Navy Federal. Open a money market account. Um, Try a pledge loan with Navy Federal also as well. They have pledge loans available. So basically, you want to show Navy Federal that you're all in for Navy Federal. Okay, and that's what they like to see. They like to see someone who is a valued customer, who is all in, who regards Navy Federal highly in the relationship, and they will regard you highly also as well. Now, next hack, season your credit during the 91.3 period. So basically, during the 91.3 period, What I mean by seasoning your credit, you want to make sure that you tighten up that credit profile, you tighten up that credit score as much as you can possibly do it. Okay, which means don't apply for any new credit. Try to avoid that. Um, because I'm not talking about hard inquiries. I'm talking about it just looks, bad. Looks when you're applying for too much credit in a short period of time, looks bad on you as a individual and your credit worthiness because it looks like you're desperate for money. Okay. So don't do that. All right. And also that helps strengthen your internal credit score with Navy Federal also as well, because they're going to look at that. Okay. Season your credit also means work on your utilization. Keep your credit card utilization low, especially a couple of days before the statement closing date. Make sure that utilization is tightened up, preferably between 2 to 7% or less than, or even zero if you can. Okay. By the statement closing date or 2 days before. All right. Now, next hack, call customer service and ask for pre-approval, okay, for the flagship credit card. Okay. That right there will give you an idea of where you stand as far as getting approved. And also, in my experience, I had a better experience speaking to a human being, a live person. You know what I mean? You can actually build rapport with a live person better than you can a computer or a website, right? Or an app, right? It's just more easier because you can involve your personality. You can talk about anything. You can talk about the weather. You can talk about, if you have something in common with your customer service rep, you can talk about that. You know, if your customer service rep all of a sudden starts sneezing or coughing, you can, talk about that. And you can relate to it, be empathetic, and build a rapport. You know, don't be afraid to show your personality and who you are in the conversation with your customer service rep. Okay. Now, next hack, you can apply for the cash rewards credit card first. That's an option for you if you want to. You don't necessarily have to. Okay. But and then after that, you can apply for the flagship after your 91.3 of having a cash rewards card. And that's optional. Because you don't have to go that route if you don't want to, right? And every 91.3 apply for a credit limit increase through the app. Okay, this is where the app comes in, right? You don't need a customer service representative for that. Go through the app. You go to customer service representative, what's going to happen is you're going to get a hard inquiry. You don't want that. Okay. Avoid a hard inquiry if you don't have to get one. Go to the app. Okay. And keep applying for a CLI every 91.3 until you get the max amount that you feel that you can get from that credit card. Okay. Using the cash rewards as an example, and then do a product change to the flagship credit card. Right. Now, if you have a credit score lower than $700, now this is the meat and potatoes, well, the extra gem, the bonus that comes at the end of the video um, for people who have bad credit. Okay. Then what you want to do is you want to start with the Navy Federal Credit Union secured credit card first, right? And then after the secured card graduates, then you do a credit limit increase every 91 days or 3 credit card statements. Okay, until you feel like that's the highest credit limit that you could possibly get. Again, and then you want a product change to the flagship card. Okay. So I have links here on this channel, right? I have videos here on this channel for showing you my approval back. I'll be almost 2 years ago for a $25,000 credit limit, flagship credit card, and my cash rewards approval. There's a video I made for that too, also as well. So that can give you a basic idea of more data points, okay, and more hacks also as well, right? Now, how you get the cash rewards? You can get the cash rewards and the gold rewards, okay? Because the flagship credit card is a credit card that um, can go up to an $80,000 credit limit. That's the max credit limit that they will give you, okay? So there's $80,000 from the flagship. Now, for the cash rewards credit card, the maximum you can get on that is $50,000. And the gold rewards, the maximum on that is $50,000 also as well. Okay, if you can get all three maximum credit limits, that'll give you $180,000 total from Navy Federal Credit Union and credit limits. Okay, now to get the cash rewards and the gold rewards, it's a lot easier than the flagship. It's very simple, right? Just try to keep a clean credit report as possible. People have gotten those cards with bad credit, though. However, if that's the situation, go back, to another video I made about a few days ago about how to get high credit limits, $100,000 credit limits. Go back to that video, right? But to give you a little gist of it, it's basically you just building up base points with your Navy Federal, right? Building that relationship by improving and working on your internal score. Okay. Um, uh, so all of those things, I hope they help you guys out too, also as well. And I hope you appreciated it. The six credit hacks that I gave you. All right, the six hacks and also the extra seven extra hacks and the bonus hack for people with bad credit at the end of the video. So, from all of us here at the How to Get an 800 Credit Score family, I want to say stay safe, be blessed. We'll see you in the next video. Make sure you like, you hit the thumbs up, subscribe, share the video, hit the notification, and we'll see you in the next video. But bye.